In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to long and short on Kucoin, a comprehensive guide for beginners looking to navigate the world of futures trading on this platform. First things first, let's head over to Kucoin's official website. It's your go-to space for all crypto-related trading, whether you're interested in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options, but what you want to focus on right now is logging into your account. You'll find the Login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to enter your credentials and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the registration process on their site. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the Kucoin home, which serves as the central hub for all your trading activities. From here, navigate to the Trade section. It's a crucial step, as this is where all the action happens. Within the Trade section, you'll see different trading options. But today, we're focusing on futures trading. Start by clicking on Spot Trading, which is an integral part of the pathway to futures trading. This takes you to a new interface that offers various tools and charts essential for tracking market trends. Next, find the Auto button. Clicking on it reveals a variety of settings that are designed to help optimize your trading experience. It's important to familiarize yourself with these options as they can greatly help in making informed trading decisions. Now, once you have adjusted the auto settings, it's time to make your choice between going long or short. Choosing to go long essentially means you are betting the price of the cryptocurrency will rise. On the other hand, selecting short indicates that you believe the price will fall. This decision should be made after thorough market analysis and understanding of current trends. Once you've decided which position to take, go ahead and click on Create. This action will officially set up your trade. However, it's critical to double-check all the details before finalizing. Make sure your risk management strategies are in place and you've set any stop losses or take profit levels, as these are important to protect your investment. Congratulations! You've just created a long or short position on Kucoin. Before we wrap up, remember that futures trading is undeniably exciting but also involves significant risks. Always stay informed and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Happy trading, and see you in the next tutorial.